Welcome to Educare. Today, Educare is giving you the video about how to apply for Ekalavya Model Residential Schools (EMRS). Okay, recently notification has released. You know that, and here this is the time of Corona, and we hesitate to go to the internet centers, and also very sunny days are there, and we have to stand a long time in the crowd. So to be safe and stay at home and in your palm you can apply for Ekalavya Model Residential Schools. Okay, that is on phone, or if you have computer in your home, then you can also apply. I will give you the details how to apply and how to fill the details and what are the requirements for the filling of the applications. Each and everything I will give in this video, and without skipping the video, you watch this video completely. Okay, step by step I explain you. Here the first step is you go to the site that is Ministry of Tribal Affairs of Government of India, that is tribal welfare. See here, here is there, I am highlighting on the address bar, tribal.nic.in. okay, if you after typing that, if you click that, here the website opens you like this, and after that what's new is here. Under that what's new, right now I'm offline, so that I'm showing the site is showing the meager options here. Okay, what's new will be after clicking on the what's new, then the site opens like this, the tab. Then here is there, see the pointer I am moving here, new registration is there. Okay, above that the notification title also is there, you observe. Okay, I click on the new registration. After clicking on the new registration, the site gives you, the window opens like this. Here are 4 tabs are there. Okay, is the first one is registration, the second one is application form, the third one is image upload, the fourth one is fee payment. Okay, the first registration process starts. Okay, the how much fee is there for the post, each and everything given here. For principal and vice principal 2000 rupees, PGT TGT is 1500 rupees. Okay, and after that you come down, and here is a radio button, just you give confirmation, you click on this and afterwards click to proceed. Okay, if you are applying in your mobile, then you go to your browser settings and select desktop version. Okay, desktop version you select, then desktop version appears like this. Okay, sometimes in the mobile version, in the mobile site, it can't show the more options which is comfortable you to access to navigate the site. Okay, after clicking on this radio button, just click on the click here to proceed. Okay, after proceeding that, the site opens like this, and complete the application starts to fill up. See here, first thing is a personal details are there. It is a screenshot, it is blurry is there. Okay, just I'm pronouncing the words, just you get it. Okay, under the personal details, the candidate's name, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, gender, identity type, and after identity type means whatever Aadhaar, a photo identity like PAN card, whatever voter ID you may choose here, and you may choose and just you give the number. If for example you selected Aadhaar means Aadhaar number give, if it is voter card means voter card number, you have to type in this section. Okay, next contact details are there, address and locality, city, town, village, country, state, district, pin code, and alternate contact number, email address, mobile number. Okay, these are there. Next, permanent address also given. If you click on this radio button, then as it is, it pastes here. It means same as a present address. That is the thing. Next, choose password. Okay, here you have to choose a password and confirm the password. And security question asks here, if you click on here, a question is given. For that question you answer here, but you remember the question of after completion of this recruitment. Okay, because if any time any disturbance comes, then if you forgot password, any other thing happened accidentally, then you have to use this question and passwords. Okay, next security pin is there. Here's the security pin is there. I'm just making a circle around that number that you have to enter here, and click on the submit. After submitting that, the site gives you like this. This is the final confirmation. Okay, after giving confirmation, you have to select on the submit. Okay, so after submitting that, the site shows you like this, your details whatever you entered, it shows like this. And after that you have to click here my name. It means we have to give a confirmation where if my, as you, it giving here tick means nothing but you have checked your names, each and everything, my name, father name, mother name, date of birth, gender, address, mobile number, email id, etc. And give agree. And after beside agree a button is there, no, the small square radio tab is that you click and final submit. After final submitting it asks you yes or no. Yes, you click. Okay, and after clicking on the yes, it gives like this. It means the first registration process has completed. See here, it is completed. The next process is application form. So application form is that then it shows you, it asks you to complete the form here, complete application form. Okay, click on that. After clicking that, it gives you the details like this. What is in this means the candidate name, date of birth, gender, okay, gender, and here mother's name, nationality. Okay, domicile means your state name. Okay, where, in which state you are residing. Okay, that is here you have to type the state name. Category means your reserved or unreserved, SC, ST, BC, whatever it is. Category means if you are said unreserved means no category will be. If you are a category SC, ST means or minority, EBC, whatever the category 2 you may select if it is applicable. See here is a disability option is there. If you are belonging to disability category, then you select yes here. Okay, if you after clicking on the yes, then it asks you what is the type of disability. Okay, ortho, maybe ophthalmic, whatever it is. Okay, that you have to select. If you are not, say no here. Okay, if you are not any disabled person, say no. If it is yes, then you say yes. Okay, here, and after certificate, whatever the criteria asked here means okay, do you need scribe? Scribe means blind or the disabled people require that. So if you want scribe, say here yes. Select percentage of disability, how much percentage is in the Southern certificate, that you enter here. And whether minority, if you are minority, say yes. Marital status means married or unmarried, that you have to enter here. The total length of service as a teacher, years and months. Okay, how many years have you are working, you have been working in the educational institutions, that you years you enter here, month you here enter. Okay, then the people who have not worked anywhere, whatever you might be considered as a worked, it means when your graduation is completed, when your B.Ed is completed, from then you can give the date. Okay, and next recruitment test for, it means what is recruitment test. It means what the post you are going to select, PGT or TGT or principal, vice principal, that you write. And the subject you write here. For example, TGT PGT means here subject social, English, Telugu not there, Hindi, other subjects, science subjects are there, that you select. And after languages you know, what language you know, it means here languages you know means Hindi, English, Bodo, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada, whatever you have, that you select here. Then preferred medium for question paper, which medium you prefer, English, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Marathi, Bodo, Dogri, whatever it is, just you here. Here availability languages are given in the drop down list, that you select that. And center examination choice is there. Okay, first choice your state give, and after that whatever other centers are there within the state, that also you select. And you give 4 centers choices. Okay, first priority, according to the priority you give which center is close to you, which center having good transport system, which center can you reach safely, that you give it as a first choice of your examination center. Next educational qualifications are there here. Thus it means 10th class equivalent details are asked here, 10th class. Then next 10th intermediate equivalent details are asked. Then afterwards here graduation, it means degree, graduation means degree details asked. Post graduation means PG asked here. And any other qualifications also asked here. It means some people might have done med or double PG might have done, those you can enter in this field. Okay, now here B.Ed details, B.Ed qualification details you have to enter. Okay, then after, are you employee of EMRS? It means already you are an employee from these institutions, you have to say yes. If not means you say no. Okay, date of joining. If you say yes, you have to give date of joining. Okay, if you have a STET or CTET, then you can give the CTET number and each and everything here. Then afterwards employment details are there. It means here it is asking, are you employed? It means, are you a employed one or unemployed? If you are employed, then you have to give the details here. If you are not, means no need to give that. Okay, here security pin is there, MN0414. Just you enter and go for uh, a submit. Okay, here is a submit. You click on the submit. After submitting that, the site gives you the interface like this. The window opens, and after once again it asks you to give the confirmation once again. After giving on submit, after clicking on the submit, the your details all are filled like this. Okay, it shows that finally it asks you to click on the submit after entering this one. After entering that, again it asks you to finalize the details. Okay, now we have completed that one, and finally it asks you to verify once again name, your name, ID, and applying for post, each and everything are here. Then after that give agree and click on submit, final submit, and say yes here. And after that here, with this we have completed two stages. The next stage is document upload is there. I will give you that. Okay, what are the documents required to upload here? First your photograph, second your thumbnail, which is taken the screenshot, then your signature, and category certificate, caste certificate is required. Domicile certificate means here residential certificate is required, that is given by MRO. And PWD, it means physical disabled certificate is there, no, that you have to upload here. It means uploading certificates are 1 2 3 4 5 6 are there. Okay, total 6 things we have to upload. Okay, and after uploading that, it shows like this. Okay, then after you click on upload here, upload is there another button. After uploading, we complete the 3 stages, and after it takes you automatically for payment. Okay, after completion of the payment, it shows you the download confirmation page. Okay, then after clicking that completely, your submission is completed, and your application will be given, the replica of the application will be given to you. Okay, preserve that application with you, take a printout, and until the completion of recruitment. Okay, this is the process how to apply, and what are the things required for applying of Ekalavya Residential Model Schools PGT TGT principal and vice principal posts. Okay, I hope you have understood that. If you have any doubt, just you type under the comment section, I will give you answer. And I also request you to share with your friends and subscribe this channel for latest updates on the jobs. Thank you so much.